Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your iPhone to super dark mode on the iPhone running iOS 18. Now at the moment I have set my iPhone to dark mode, but still you can see certain parts of the iPhone it still show a gray background, a gray shade on the menu items. And if I pull down my control center, it still shows a gray background and not completely dark. So for dark lover, let's see how you can customize the iPhone to make it even darker. First, I'm going to change the background on the home screen to make it darker. So I'm going to go into settings. Then we go down and tap on wallpaper. In here, select a darker wall background paper. Here you can swipe across. You see if you have any. If you don't, you can tap on add new wallpaper to choose a new dark wallpaper. Here I have a dark wallpaper right here that I can use, so I can set that one, set as current. You can, if you want, you can tap on the customize button to customize your lock screen and home screen, and then tap on done. So here, first off, I have a dark background already. However, you can see my icons are still in colors. So what we can do is touch and hold on the home screen. That will take us into an edit mode. So here, tap on the edit button and then tap on customize, and here we will select dark. So you can see all the icons now turn darker, and at the top here is this button here that you can tap on it. So you can tap on it to make it even more darker. So you can tap on the button to adjust the color. Okay, so tap on that to make the adjustment to the icons. Now if I swipe down, you can see it still shows a little bit of gray and white color. So we're going to continue to further customize the settings. Next, we're going to tap on settings. So here, tap on settings, and in settings, I'll go back, and then we go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we're going to go down and tap on display and text size. Now in here, we scroll down and then turn on reduce white point. This will reduce the intensity of bright colors. So we turn it on, and here you can drag on the slider bar here to maybe around say 80%, 85%. And this will basically remove a lot of the white background on your device. Now if I tap on the back key, you can see here a lot of the gray shade has been removed, and you can see it's a lot darker now. So if I go back to my home screen, you can see everything's now all in black. And if I pull down my control center, it is also dark. So that's really handy. You can turn on reduce white point, and then everything will go completely dark. If you want, you can always go back in and turn off reduce white point, and that will bring back the brightness. Now, if you want to have an easy way where you can quickly toggle on the reduce white point to increase or decrease the dark mode, you can pull down your control center and create a shortcut. In here, I will tap on the add button and then tap on add control. And in here, you want to look for reduce white point. So here we got reduce white point. You can add it in. And here we can turn it on or turn it off. So if I turn it on, everything goes dark. I can tap on it and that will switch off, and the icons will start to have colors. Now you can see here, if I turn it on and if I go into settings, in my settings, all the icons also goes dark as well. So there's no color on the icons. And if I put down my control center, I can quickly toggle on and off like that. Now you can also assign that shortcut to the action button as well. So if we go into settings, then in actions, we go down and tap on action button. And if you swipe across, and you find accessibility and then choose a feature, and then we go down and select reduce white point. Now we tap on back and swipe up. So here you can just press on the action button to quickly turn it on or off if you press and hold to that. So here you can see I can quickly switch between bright mode and a little bit darker super dark mode. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your iPhone running iOS 18 for super dark mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.